From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm Penn State Campus Weather Service meteorologist Connor Friedhoff here with the CNET forecast. Take a look at this time lapse of Beaver Stadium. We started out cloudy this morning and into the early afternoon, but as we started to get more towards time now, we saw the temperature rebound a little bit between the 30s and 20s, currently sitting at 30, and the sky much more akin to that sun there. Mostly sunny skies as opposed to those overcast skies we saw this morning. It is 30 degrees currently. The feels like temperature is at 24, mainly because of that light wind out of the west. For the central portion of the state, it's the same narrative we're used to talking about here. Cold in the west, warmer in the east. It's down to 20 in Johnstown, but if you go to the east of the ridges, it's 38 in Harrisburg. Near the lakes, it's 20 in Erie. Places like Scranton and Allentown in the 30s. Philadelphia is up to 38 as well. In fact, if you were in Philadelphia, mainly in the city proper, you probably saw some rain showers not too long ago, about an hour ago. But if you were more in the metro or some of the suburban areas outside of it, because of that urban heat island, you saw the temperatures dip down a little bit more, had some snow showers. That's pretty much all that we can really talk about in terms of precipitation for the state. However, parts of the south seeing some rain showers, especially in Virginia and North Carolina, and down in Texas and Oklahoma, Arkansas, seeing some of those ice storm conditions, a lot of road pileups on the interstates down there, so very treacherous conditions down there. What we can look at for the rest of the week, Wednesday, not too much in terms of anything dynamic, mainly just clouds making an entrance and then an exit. Same thing on Thursday. Skies are a little bit more clear, but this is the big thing we want to talk about here. A front moving through. Now, this is going to bring a snow band, but with it, behind it, is that Arctic frigid air. Look at some of those wind speeds coming off the lake. Erie going to be especially affected, but here we will see those temperatures only reach the teens on Friday and go as low as the single digits for Friday night. Now, see that frontal movement, bringing those winds will bring all that cold air. A lot of that storm systems are going to move offshore. Saturday and Sunday off and on clouds. Monday we do have the potential for some snow showers, mainly in the higher elevations on the ridges and near the New York border. But that's all we can really talk about for Monday. Next big weather maker coming in on Tuesday. Of course, this front will take shape in the Midwest and slowly but surely propagate eastward over towards the Mid-Atlantic region and us. Now, snow lovers look away like myself. 6 to 10 days does not indicate anything good for snow development. In fact, most of the precipitation we'll be getting will probably be rain because of this. CPC indicating in the east those temperatures going to be much higher above average. At least the chances are present for it to be much higher above average, as opposed to the west, where you have in California seeing temperatures below average. That's what we can indicate here with this red and blue. But for tonight, we do have the chance of some snow showers, mainly between the hours of 11 p.m. and 2 a.m., so not going to cause too much of a concern with post-work commute. But again, if you are going to run an errand that late or go out at that time, it could be treacherous. Temperatures will get down to 21. The wind will back off a little bit, but it's still present. Tomorrow, the wind will come back for a little bit, bringing this high of 31 maybe down a little bit in terms of the feels like temperature, because it's still going to be a bit nippy out there. So bring a coat, of course. We're still in winter after all, and this is pretty much average for this time of year. But if we look at the 7-day, we'll see quite the temperature fluctuation. Mainly, of course, here on Friday, those temperatures will not even reach the 20s most likely on Friday and dip down in the single digits, as low as 5 for State College on Friday. Saturday and Sunday, we see those temperatures start to rebound all the way up into Tuesday, where we have temperatures reaching the 50s and a possible chance of rain for the area. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm meteorologist Connor Friedhoff, wishing you a wonderful day.